Welcome to your Maths Online class. Today we are going to start our third chapter, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is used to locate a point on a plane, or it is the locate the position or position of a point or object on a plane. Plane means it is two-dimensional. So, there will be only two axes, x axis and y axis. So, first of all, what is my x axis? X axis means a horizontal line. A horizontal line is known as x axis. So, here 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here -1, -2, -3, etc. This positive side is known as x, negative side is known as x dash, o x or 0x. Here negative side is known as o x dash. So, this is the x axis. Next, a vertical line. A vertical line is known as y axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. -1, -2, -3, etc. This positive side is known as y and its negative side is known as y dash. Okay. Next, this x axis and y axis together like this. This is y, this is y dash. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. -1, -2, -3, etc. The intersection of these two axes, is known as origin. What is that? Origin. Okay. The intersection point of these two axes is known as origin. Then here how many portions? 1, 2, 3, 4. One of this portion is known as quadrant. If two axes is cutting 4 sections, one of the section is known as quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. Here third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. In your +1 class and all, +1 class and +2, you have to study 3-dimensional. On 3-dimensional, x axis, y axis and z axis. There are 3 axes and there are 8 sections. How many sections? 8 sections. One of the section is known as octant. Here there is octant. Here 4 sections. One of the section is known as quadrant. Clear? In first quadrant, x value is positive side and y value is also positive. So, on first quadrant x is positive and y is also positive. What about second quadrant? On second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. What about third quadrant? X negative also, y also negative. What about fourth quadrant? X positive, y negative. Okay. This plane is known as xy plane or Cartesian plane. This xy plane, this plane is known as Cartesian plane. What is that? Cartesian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane. So, horizontal line is known as x axis. Its a positive side x, its a negative side x dash. Vertical line is known as y axis. Its a positive side is y and its a negative side is y dash. The intersection of these two axes is known as origin. That point is 0. And there are 4 sections. One of the section is known as quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x and y is positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. Third quadrant, x and y is also negative. The last fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Clear? Okay. Okay, next we are going to discuss coordinates. Coordinate. First one, x coordinate. X coordinate, or the another word of x coordinate is abscissa. Abscissa. X coordinate or abscissa. Y coordinate, or the another word of y coordinate is ordinate. Ordinate. D. How to find the x coordinate and how to find the y coordinate in a Cartesian plane? The x coordinate, the another word of x coordinate is abscissa, another word of y coordinate is ordinate. Clear? Next, listen. Suppose a Cartesian plane, x axis and y axis. This is origin 0, this is y, positive side, here negative side y dash, positive x side, so this is x dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Here, what is the value of x on x axis? The value of x is 1. The value of x is 1. What is the value of y here? Here y is 0. Y is 0. Then what is the coordinate? Coordinate means the value of x and y. What is the value of x? 1, comma. The value of y is 0. Clear. Next, what about here? What is the coordinate? What is the x coordinate or abscissa? 2. What is y coordinate or ordinate? 0. What about here? Coordinate, coordinate like this, x comma y. This is coordinates. Okay. What about this point here? 3 comma 0, coordinate 3 comma 0, here 4 comma 0. What about here? This is 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0. So here we have to conclude that on x axis the value of y is 0. On x axis the value of y is 0. Similarly on y axis the value of x is 0. Okay, what is this point? So x comma y. What is the x value here? On y axis we know the value of x is 0. 0 comma 1. What about here? 0 comma 2. Here coordinate is 0 comma 3. Okay, what about this point? This is 0 comma minus 2. The value of x on y axis is 0 and y value is minus 2. What this point? Here the value of x is minus 3, the value of y is on x axis 0. Clear? So next, suppose a point here, a point A here. What is its coordinate? What is the coordinate? A. So write the value of x and y. What is the value of x of A? 3, comma. What is its corresponding y value? 2. So 3 comma 2. Suppose next B. What is the coordinate? What is the abscissa? 5. The value of x. Its corresponding y value is 4. This is the coordinates. Okay. So here in this question, what is the coordinate of B BMLS. What is the coordinate of B? Here what is the value of B? What is the coordinate of B? That is 4 comma 3. Ready? The value of x is 4, the value of y is 3. So, the coordinate of B is 4 comma 3. Next, the coordinate of M. What is the coordinate of M? The coordinate of M, the value of x is minus 3 and the value of y is 4. So, what is the coordinate of M? Minus 3 comma 4. Clear. Next, L minus 5 comma minus 4. Minus 5 comma minus 4. Clear. Next, the coordinate of S, that is 3 comma minus 4. Clear. Next question. We got next question. Write the coordinates of A, B, C, D and E. What is the coordinate of A? That is the value of x is 4. On x axis the value of y is 0. So, the coordinate of A is 4 comma 0. Clear. Next, what is the coordinate of B? On y axis the value of x is 0. What is the value of y? 3. So, 0 comma 3. Next, C. What is the coordinate of C? Here the coordinate the value of x is minus 5, the value of y is 0, because on x axis the value of y is 0. So, coordinate of C is minus 5 comma 0. Next, E. What is E? X axis the value of x is 2 by 3. So, 2 by 3 comma on y the value of y is 0. So, 2 by 3 comma 0. Okay, very simple. Okay, next our question is locate the points given below x, y, 5, 0, 0, 5, 2.5, 5, 5, 2, 3, minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, 5. So, we have to locate these points on a Cartesian plane. So, we have to draw two axes. On x axis, what is the larger value? 5. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the minimum value here? Minus 3. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus 3. So, this is x, here x dash. On y axis, what is the larger value? 5. So, we have to write up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is y axis. Lesser value minus 5. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is y dash. Clear. Then first point, what is first point? This is 0, 5 comma 0. 5 comma on x axis 5, y is 0. That means the point is on x axis 5 comma 0. Where is 5 comma 0? This is 5. Where is 0 here? So, this point, this is 5 comma 0. Clear. Next, 0 comma 5. X is 0, y is 5. That means it is on y axis. 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. So, here this is 0 comma 5. Clear. Next, 2.5. 2.5, x axis 2.5. So, 2.5 means the middle value of 2 and 3 here. 2.5. This point 2.5 and on y axis 5. This point 2.5 and 5. This point here 2.5 and 5. This point is 2.5 comma 5. Ready? Next, 5 comma 2. Where is 5 comma 2? On x axis 5, this point here. On y axis 2. So, here 2, 5. So 5 comma 2. Next 3 comma minus 5. 3 comma minus 5. X is 3, y is minus 5. On x axis 3, on y axis minus 5 here. This point. This point. So this is 3 comma minus 5. Next minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 comma minus 5. This is minus 3 and minus 5 here. So minus 3 minus 5. This point minus 3 comma minus 5. Last point minus 3 comma 5. On x axis minus 3, on y axis 5. So this point. This combination here, this is minus 3 comma 5. Clear? This is the locating the points on a Cartesian plane. Okay. One more problem. A 2 comma 3, B minus 2 comma 3, C 2 comma minus 3, D minus 2 comma minus 3. Then what is the quadrant of A? Which quadrant is A, which quadrant is B, which quadrant is C and which quadrant is D? First here 2 comma 3 which quadrant? First quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant? Here this is positive 2, this is positive. X positive and y is also positive. Which quadrant? This is our Cartesian plane. X positive, so here x is positive and y is also positive, so this is. So this quadrant, what is this quadrant? This is first quadrant. This question not in your textbook. Okay, so this is which quadrant? This is first quadrant. So A is first quadrant. Next, what is it? B. Which quadrant B? So here x is negative. This is positive, here negative. This is negative. Next, y is positive. So here first, second quadrant. B is second quadrant. Next, C. Here x is positive. So this is this side, right side. Y is negative. So downward. This is. So this section. Which quadrant? First, second, third, fourth quadrant. So C is fourth quadrant. Next, D. X negative. So left side. Y is negative. This. Which quadrant? First, second, third quadrant. So A is first quadrant, B is second quadrant, C is fourth quadrant, D is third quadrant. Okay, these are the questions included in your this chapter. So our third chapter is over. Thank you.